Namaste people. Today I'm going to show you how did I get ready for Diwali, and this is my look. I have a very sensitive and pimple prone skin, so I'll try to keep my makeup minimal as much as possible. So let's start with the primer to fill up my pores and have a base for the foundation. Apologies, you guys wouldn't be able to see the name of the products as I'm using the front camera and सब कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा दिखेगा. But the names of the products would be there in the description box for your reference. Also, I'm not a makeup professional. It's just that I love makeup and I love experimenting. So yeah, you can say that it's for the beginners. Let's start with the eyes because I also believe that eye makeup is the most important part of the entire makeup thing. I'm starting with the concealer to have base for my eyeshadow. I will start with my eyeshadow now. To have a neutral base, I will use the nude color. Which one? Which one? Yeah, this nude color, which you can see in the palette. I am not planning to do bold eye makeup for the day, but I want my eyes to look special, so I'll be using this metallic shade from Huda, and I will be using it as an eyeliner. Now I will let it dry and set for some time. By then I will set my eyebrows with this Nika brow pencil. And yeah, I think eyebrows are so important, dude. I believe eyebrows give a very good shape to the face. My eyes are not done yet because of course they look incomplete, and bina black eyeliner ke I don't think so any eye makeup look is complete. So I will apply a very thin eyeliner just to give a shape to my eyes. क्योंकि आई हैव हुडेड आईज, मतलब छोटी छोटी आंखें जो अंदर घुसी हुई है, तो इनको बड़ा दिखाने के लिए क्या करें, I will use this nude eyeliner, no, nude kajal, so मेरी आंखें बड़ी दिखे. एंड देखो कितनी बड़ी हो गई. अब comes my favorite part, mascara. Mascara, all the girls love mascara, I know. This mascara that I'm showing is from L'Oreal and it is nice actually, but it is not waterproof. So by chance अगर बारिश वारिश का कोई मौसम है या फिर रोने धोने का प्लान है तो please do not use this. And my eye makeup is done. अब हम लगाएंगे base, the most important part of the makeup. We will apply foundation. This one from MAC again, and this is the shade जो of course नहीं दिख रहा है, but I think मैं कुछ भूल रही हूँ. क्या क्या क्या? Orange corrector मैंने नया नया सीखा है. So this orange corrector is from K by Katrina. I think, I'm guessing that some people still don't know about it. So it's not a concealer, it's just orange corrector. It is good for the dark spots, dark circles as well. It blends so well with the foundation that it covers all the marks and spots that you have on the face. एंड आई नो मैं भूत जैसे लग रही हूँ, प्लीज़ बेयर विथ मी, मैं आपको नहीं खाऊंगी. अब ब्लेंड करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ. ब्लेंडिंग इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट यार. इट टेक्स सो मच टाइम बट इट इज़ अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस एंड आई थिंक इट वर्क्स लाइक मैजिक इफ़ यू डू इट रियली प्रॉपरली. अयो इसे तो ब्लेंड करना भूल गई. लेट्स डू इट नाउ. अब फाइनली आ गई फाउंडेशन की बारी. इसे ब्लेंड करना पड़ेगा ऑफ कोर्स, बट आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्रश फॉर द ब्लेंडिंग पार्ट एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ इट्स अ करेक्ट ब्रश, बट yes, all the makeup artists watching this, please forgive me for messing it up if I am, but yeah, I think it works well for my skin. I like it. ब्लेंड करते जाओ एंड नेवर फॉरगेट योर नेक. Remember the corners too. Now I'll be using this setting powder from Lakme 925 to set the foundation on my skin. Now comes the funniest part, contouring. I am hell bad at it, but I wouldn't mind giving it a try. I will start with the jawlines because I think वो सबसे easiest part है. I don't know if it works or not, but let's just try, and why not? I am not confident about this, but again I'll try. देखा जाएगा जो होगा. Almost done with cheekbones. I'm still not sure कैसा हुआ है. But now comes my nose. मुझे अपना nose पतला करना है. Let's try. I have a feeling कि मेरा nose contouring अच्छा हुआ है. पता नहीं, I have a feeling, मतलब अंदर से gut feeling जो आती है ना वो आ रही है. Let's see. This is the before and after image. Let me know if you think that I have done a good job. So I do not have blush, but I have this lip stain which I'll be using as a blush, and this idea I got from Larissa, and I'm sure you all must be knowing her. She's a very famous YouTuber, and I think this idea is amazing and perfect. Larissa, thank you so much for this idea. Now comes highlighter, my favorite. Highlighter से एक रौनक सी आ जाती है चेहरे पे, and I think और क्या चाहिए ज़िंदगी में. So this is from Maybelline, and I think it's quite good compared to other highlighters that I have used. So yeah. No, I'm not done yet. Lipstick बाकी है. So for that I'll be using this two shades from Smashbox, and trust me, these lipsticks are amazing. I'll be mixing both. So I'll start with nude, which you can see. Nude is actually nice. I mean, only nude is really nice, but just because it's Diwali, so थोड़ा colors तो बनते हैं ना. So let's start with nude, and don't you think it looks amazing? Just this nude color only, I think चलता, but Diwali है तो let me add a little red as well. And my makeup is done. I have forgotten something जो मुझे editing के time में याद आ रहा है, but अब क्या कर सकते हैं. I forgot to apply the fixing spray, but कोई ना. Let me know if you like this look, and if you think कि कुछ गलतियाँ हुई है, कुछ mess up हुआ है, तो let me know. I am open for feedbacks as well. So I've changed my dress. Now it's time for my hairstyle, जो बहुत simple होने वाली है, not a big deal. Fringes का बहुत झमेला है, but I love fringes. I can't help it. And this is my quarantine look. Quarantine Corona लॉकडाउन, वट एवर लुक यू वांट टू कॉल इट. अब आते हैं इयररिंग्स. एंड आई बिलीव बिना इयररिंग्स के इंडियन वेयर इज इनकम्प्लीट, लाइक टोटली इनकम्प्लीट. I love these earrings. I got them from Nagpur and I think they are perfect for Diwali. What do you think? अब मेरी इज्जत की बारी. My dupatta. With this sharara I'm wearing this brown heels, my all-time favorite. And this is my look. It's very simple, but yeah, I like it simple. चलो अब थैंक यू जी. लाइक कमेंट सब्सक्राइब सब कर दियो. बाय.